Alright, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope you all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah. I'm a small cap day trader, and I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I upload my recaps after every trading session, regardless of whether I'm red or green. Today is a green day, um, which is good. Sort of a rebound from yesterday, a great way to end the week and month. This is the last trading day of the month. It is also day 16 of my one trade a day challenge. However, I did take more than one trade a day. If you guys have been following along, you guys know that I have sort of removed the guardrails from this challenge to spark some growth. Anyways, I traded BATL. This stock has a float of 7 million shares. It was up 24% when I traded it. And I've traded this one before. It was one that I won on. I think my accuracy was it was 50% on it, but I was able to cut my losers quickly on it and make good money. I think the entries I had today were micro pullbacks or dip and rips. So you guys will see I was waiting to see this close above this daily level here. I didn't know if I should trust it first. It had a false breakout. It was a little bit choppy, but then when it started to pull away here, I started to consider it. So I don't know if I don't think I got in on this one. Oh, okay, I did. So a little dip there, and uh, I don't know how good of a fill that was, but I did lower my take profit. Yeah, that was a pretty good fill. I got filled at 24. That was a small 7 cent winner. Not terrible. Could have held this one a little bit longer for sure, but usually on the dip and rip, I try to get in and out, especially in a colder market like the one we're in right now. There was a, I was thinking about that dip right there, that little micro pullback on the 10-second. Um, and then I was kind of like, I'm not going to buy this high. I'm going to wait. Could have been holding from my original entry. This is a really nice 10-second pullback right here. It is sort of like slowly just grinding higher. So I wanted to wait for. There's a dip right there. And then small trade. That was riskier, I know, because I kind of bought it at the high of that candle. I didn't really give it a chance to pull back, but it didn't really want to pull back on that first trade anyways. And then right here, I just got in for the break through that daily level. Was that a good fill? I got filled right at 90. Okay. And then the ask starts to thin out, but it does reject there. So I was happy with that. I got out 98. It didn't really go a lot higher. Those are the only trades I took. After this huge topping tail, I was like, we usually don't see follow through in cold markets like this. And every single time I've bought in after like a topping tail, it feels like I've lost every single trade. Um, but yeah, so I didn't feel like I wanted to risk any of the gains I had just made, um, and I was okay with this trade right here. Um, yes, this was riskier. I was just thinking that we were gonna get a short squeeze there, since like I felt like around this area people were shorting, and then maybe people were continuing to add, and that's why I was slowly grinding higher. And then that was the little squeeze I was hoping for. So that was a really nice trade there. But yeah, that's it for today's recap. Um, there was only this. This was the only stock that looked decent. It's a great way to end the month. I will be doing my monthly recap and giving my thoughts on the one trade a day challenge, how it's helped me, what I've learned, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. I will be uploading that tomorrow. I might make it today, but I'll probably upload it tomorrow. In any case, I hope you guys did well today. I hope you guys are staying disciplined. And with that, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.